So I've just read an article on the internet from RW Invest asking what are property investors saying about the held base rate. So the Bank of England base rate has been held for the 5th time in a row now at 5.25%. Many people were hoping the rate might come down, but the Bank of England said they're going to hold the rate at 5.25% because they're still a little bit worried about inflation. Inflation peaked in October 2023, and that inflation figure is currently at about 3.4%, planning for a 2% finish. Why are the Bank of England not reducing interest rates if it's improving? Very simple. The government, they're very positive. Why? We fixed the problem, we fixed the problem, we fixed the problem. Everything's going to be okay. Please vote us and keep us in. Directly after the election, we will see what we've seen in 2008, in my opinion. A double dip. A double dip recession was what we had in 2008. We're already officially in recession. There'll be a double dip. There's positivity now. It's a vote winner. It always is. Everything any government do, it's a vote winner. Whether it be Conservatives or Labour, doesn't really matter. They both have the same plan. Win an election. And if we don't win, make sure we have a plan to get back in. So the reason the Bank of England are not dropping interest rates is because if they drop them now, they know they're going to have to put them back up again because the inflation numbers right now are a massaged inflation rate. Why are they massaged? Because they have to be made to look good until the election. And then they'll say, oh, there's some figures that are just filtering through and inflation is actually going back up a little bit higher again. So we're going to have to keep interest rates high a little bit longer. They could drop interest rates a bit now and then put them back up again later, or they can hold them for now. Here's my prediction. There will be more austerity after the election. There'll be more challenges. There'll be more realization that inflation isn't as good or on as good a track as we believe it is. Interest rates will start to come down. Probably towards the end of the year, they might drop it to 5%, but they'll never be back at 0.75 or 0.1% again. They'll probably start to come down and level off somewhere about 3.5 to 4%, and that will be the new normal. So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you agree? Do you disagree? I'll engage with you in the comments as well, and I'll see you on the next video.